Hello everyone, long time no see. Welcome back to Guide Those, my channel. I know I barely post any videos here. The last video I posted was back in 2 years ago, but that's about to change because right now I'm about to get in the game, and why not? It's never too late to do it. So just to give you a heads up, I will be updating videos about Papa OS, customization, Linux. It's my current operation system, that's what I use. If you haven't tried it, you should give it a shot. If you are a Linux user, even very smooth, no complaints so far. But besides Linux, I have been thinking about doing some videos about WordPress. Yes, the most popular blogging platform in the planet. Why not, right? I don't want to box myself in just to do one thing only. So Linux and WordPress for now. And who knows, I might expand something different, right? At the end of the day, Guide Those has no limit, and if I can teach you guys anything, it doesn't cost me anything to make a video and just update it and upload it to YouTube. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. That's pretty much it. This is the only update I have for now. Stay tuned for more and look forward for more videos, consistent videos. I might do once a week, maybe twice a week, but we'll see. Kind of busy with real life outside the internet, family and stuff like that, but it doesn't hurt to make a video here and then. But my goal is to be more consistent. That's the plan. So I'm looking forward to see you guys. Oh, please, if you get a chance, don't forget to subscribe. Just a simple click, and you will make me happy, motivated to continue making videos. So I hope I didn't bore you to death with this kind of comeback, but the plan is to be more consistent, like I said. Thank you for watching. Guide Those is back in business.